viewers, welcome back. Today I got here my 2022 CB500X and I'm going to be installing these foot peg pads. Let's get to it. Here's everything that came in the kit. These are Billet aluminum foot peg pads. I got them off of eBay for 25 bucks. They showed up very quickly, so I'm going to give them a try. Here's what the CB500X comes with. These rubber foot pegs are very street oriented and really not meant to stand up on. So I'm going to give these $25 plates a try and see what I think. The first thing I need to do is remove the rubber by taking out the two 8mm on the bottom. I found the bolts that came in the kit to be a little bit short, so I'm going to use the two 8mm that I just took out of the stock foot pegs. Don't forget to put some blue Loctite on them. Now I'm simply just going to set the plate down and reinstall the 8mm from the bottom. And there we go. The new foot pegs are installed. I kind of had my doubts if they'd fit or not. The information on eBay wasn't the greatest. They said they'd fit on a 2019, so I wasn't too sure if they'd fit on my 2022 here. But they seem to fit great, look great, and I can't wait to get out there and try them. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Definitely a lot more comfortable, a lot more foot space when you need to stand up for off-road riding. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my quick and easy foot peg install on the CB500X. Ride safe.